Howdy Hotties, the best and hottest Indian radio network in the entire world.
Mahima Creations.
Proudly presents Premier Evening Drive Time Show. Bam Bam!
Yes, you heard it right.
Bam Bam! Every
Monday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday. Let's beat the traffic.
Bam Bam!
Bye-bye. Namaskar.
Namaste.
Namaskara.
Vanakkam.
Khushamadi.
Assalamu alaikum.
Satyakal.
మీకందరికి వందనము.
Jai Swami Narayan.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Janendra.
हमारे स्माइली भाई बंधुओं को बोल दे या अली मदद.
मौला अली मदद बोलते हुए सारे फीजिए बदल को बोलेंगे नीसा बदल जन हम आ गए हैं आपके प्यारे महिमा के द्वारे मैं सिर्फ आलतू बाबा.
And of course myself. Your coffee की चुस्की लेती हुई फालतू रानी.
I know Father, so many things, right? Just to be chai ki chuski now, with coffee ki chuski right now, right?
Yeah.
Ha, chai. But I don't know. Does chai actually give you? Does coffee give you the same kind of a chuski as that of no? No, that
Yes,
is,
yes, it does.
wait,
It does. It does. It
chuski
does. It does.
generally
It
is a
does.
sip, right? Is
It
it
does.
a-
It does. It does.
Hold
it does,
on
it
a
does.
second before you go jumping in all those things, Manoj. I'm asking you a question, Father. Is it chuski? Chuski means a sip, right?
Chusky means sipper. Yeah.
Is it sip or is it like a energy sipper?
I don't know.
Oh my goodness, sir. Whatever happened to my colloquial Hindi? आजकल बहुत मिश्रण हो रहा है बरजन इसी ये भाषा वो भाषा सब भाषा सबका परिभाषा हो रहा है यहाँ पे. And of course, Brazil, let me tell you one thing. आज हम लोग
Sipper.
हाँ
Sip. It means sip.
हाँ चुस्की can be a sip
Chai
of
ki
coffee.
chusky matlab a sip of chai.
Yeah.
But I'm talking about sip of coffee.
Sip of
A sip
coffee.
of cup of
Is it sip of
java. For me, it is not a sip of it's a sip of cup of kava.
Sip of kava, she's saying barajan. I'll tell you, Falta, I was just thinking about Falta. Today's topic is going to be Throwback Thursdays, right?
Throwback.
And Throwback Thursday, what we're doing under barajan. Falta, you're not throwing your back. I'm talking about throwback. You always do this. And next day she come back and say, I got a back pain.
Yeah.
You throw a back, that's what happens, Falta. But we're talking about throwback. Reminiscing the times, Barajan. Good times. You know, I was just thinking about, last time Santa was here. We met Santa. Santa एक गोद में तो मैं बैठ नहीं सका लेकिन Santa मेरे गोद में बैठ गए.
अच्छा.
अलग बात है.
That's right, of course. I remember.
But this time around we couldn't do that, Fatwari. COVID, can you imagine, Fatwari, 281 days of COVID sheltering in place for 281 days.
Right.
Pehla, the first 15 days was so hard on us. Now it's become like a practice, become second nature right now. When we meet also, Fatwari, do you notice that I'm very scared to even reach out and shake hands with somebody. Not because of the fact that I might catch a virus.
मेरे को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. I don't shake hands at all, ever. आप अगर देखते हो मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ हरिओम.
मतलब जल्दी घर जाओ.
नमस्ते. ऐसे बोलती हूँ.
Father, please, ऐसे मत छोड़ दो. But of course, the point I'm making, Bandujan, is the fact that our lifestyles has kind of changed, Bandujan. No longer do we actually shake hands anymore. Oh, for me, you will wear red for Christmas. We have red in the background. What do you mean red for Christmas? Oh my God. Hamara Christmas was already ho gaya, by the way.
I've got like green and orange and red and rust and everything on my dress.
Yes, of course. But we have a red background in the past, so let's party on that one.
You got red on your shirt, right? No?
I got red on my shirt. I got red in my blood, Faltwani. I
Abba.
got red in my blood, red in the logo also. But look at the logo up there. It's red color. See?
That's right.
And Mahima ji over here also wearing red color. So don't worry about that. Red is there everywhere. Even our phone is red, by the way. The logo of our particular Pam Pam show also is red, by the way.
Okay.
Yes! Woohoo! We got red everywhere. But the point I'm making, Faltwani, is the fact that today we're doing throwback to reminiscing the good old times. See, the kind of fun we used to have in those days, we can't do it anymore. What? First of all, shaking hands, talking about the fact that now I'm scared, not because I'm going to get the virus, because one other person will say, oh no, I don't want to shake hands with you.
Oh.
Those kind of people, like, now suddenly walk into a house, you can't walk, I can't think of myself walking into a store without a mask nowadays.
I know.
It's become like second nature right now. Now it's like, like how you wear a banyan, you wear a mask and walk around. That's what's happened right now.
Wow.
But anyway, we're going to today talk about things what we were doing. Like, for instance, like when we used to have get-togethers, and now we can't do those get-togethers, right? God knows when we come back to those days, Fatwani. We can actually come together as friends, bandhus and all, party, have fun, sing into a mic, karaoke, sharing the mic. We used to actually have karaoke events every other weekend. Now we have every weekend. It's become like, but not everybody joins from their home.
Yeah.
ऐसा उतना मजा नहीं आता यार जितना था वो.
वहाँ पे कहाँ जब एटलीस्ट ये देखो बंदरजान क्या नाइंसाफी है. कोविड ने मेरे पेट पे लात मारा है
तेरे
एक्चुअली.
पेट पे लगा है?
हाँ मैं
कम हो गया?
बताती हूँ क्यों. नहीं छी. आलतू बाबा जब और हमारे बंधुज आते हैं तो प्यार से टोमेटो राइस, वेज पुलाव, जीरा राइस, घी राइस, क्या क्या किस्म के राइस, मिंट राइस, ये वो बनाता था.
कौन
अब
मैं?
मैं हूँ ना. हाँ बनाते थे ना सभी के लिए. लेकिन मैं यहाँ पे हूँ और एक दो हमारे बंधु आते भी है, लेकिन हमारे लिए बनाता है क्या? नहीं बनाता है. मैं हर रोज आती हूँ. क्यों? मैं दाल बराबर हूँ. क्योंकि इट डजंट मैटर व्हेदर आई एम हियर और नॉट. नहीं बना के देता है बंदूजान. हमारे बाकी मैं क्या बोलूँ, हमारे दीपक जी ने गाया है उस गाने में टोमेटो राइस खाएंगे. आलतू बाबा का टोमेटो राइस खाएंगे.
Exactly. For the
Yeah.
good old times, Fatwani. वो अभी वापस आएंगे क्या? That is why we're doing throwback today, Bridget. Reminiscing the good old days when we could make tomatoes, everybody come and eat in our studio. You know, sometimes I feel, Fatwani, we need to get back to the regular mode of doing Galla Gudiya with our bandhus. Yeah. आज ऐसे कुछ गानों की we'll throw up, but we actually, you know, we miss those times. We can't do those things right now, Bridget. ऐसे गानों को हम लोग आज पेश करने वाले, Bridget. Enjoy these songs. Enjoy. I don't know if we can do all these kind of things in person anymore, Bridget. COVID.
मन कहे कि मैं ले आऊं चांद और तारे सारे, इन हाथों पर मैं चांद रखूं, इस मांग में भर दूं तारे.
हेलो हेलो तू फ्लोर्स पे जब है आई, येलो येलो बड़ी सॉलिड मस्ती छाई.
हेलो हेलो तू मुझे घूमने लगाई, येलो येलो कंट्रोल करो मेरे भाई. ये दिल छन छन बोले अमृतसरी चूड़ियां, रात बड़ी है मस्तानी तो दिल भर जानी, कर ले गल्ला बूढ़ियां. धड़ के ये दिल छन छन बोले अमृतसरी चूड़ियां, रात बड़ी है मस्तानी तो दिल भर जानी, कर ले गल्ला बूढ़ियां.
ये नैन मटक्का तेरा ओए मुझे बड़ा तड़पावे, तू देख तो अज भी दिल पर गुड़िए तीर जायक जल जावे. कर दे बिन पिए शराबी चेहरा तेरा गुलाबी, कोई क्यों ना यमला बन जावे जो इतनी हो बेताबी.
हेलो हेलो दिल दिल से कनेक्ट करना, येलो येलो ये बातें डायरेक्ट करना. धड़ के ये दिल छन छन बोले अमृतसरी चूड़ियां, रात बड़ी है मस्तानी तो दिल भर जानी, कर ले गल्ला बूढ़ियां. धड़ के ये दिल छन छन बोले अमृतसरी चूड़ियां, रात बड़ी है मस्तानी तो दिल भर जानी, कर ले गल्ला बूढ़ियां. छना छनक तेरा पन दूंगा नक नब कना, छनक तेरा पन दूंगा नक हाय. मैं कबूतर फंसे आके होर कोई हंसे बिना, हाय हंसे बिना, हंसे बिना, हाय हंसे बिना. छना छनक.
And of course, Bajan, that is what we're talking about today. Throwback Thursdays. We're actually talking about how, you know, things have changed, times have changed. Good old days. Let's do one thing, Bajan. आज हम लोग आपको number देंगे 408-912-247 to call us over here and share with us, yaar. Come on. Do you remember these things, good old days? Do you have those kind of, you know, the nostalgic thoughts? Oh, are we going to get back to the point of, you know, pre-COVID times ever?
कुछ लोग पहुंच गए ऑलरेडी. और तो पापा
Hey, पहुंच गए मतलब पहुंचा दिए जाएंगे.
नहीं
हाँ.
एक्चुअली ऑलरेडी पहुंच गया. तेरे को मालूम नहीं है कितने लोग एक्चुअली ना आलतू
कुछ भी.
नहीं क्या कुछ भी. I know many people who actually still party. Many people have actually planned for parties also.
What?
I know 100%.
People, please be very cautious because we are still in the purple. We've
Yeah.
not come to the orange or the white or the whatever, right? Yellow, whatever I call it.
Yeah.
We're still there. No, come on, don't party. Okay, party, fine. I don't know what to say, Father, because someone feel like it's not.
Arey, what are you talking about, Altu Baba? There are like major venues, Indian community organizations that are organizing events where they actually
Irresponsible
come in
people.
person.
Irresponsible people. But I can't say anything else, Father, because I think we need to just, हाँ करना चाहिए, लेकिन थोड़ा बहुत, we got to be cautious. Right? That's what I feel. I don't know. What is your take, Father? Caution has to be, we have to, be cautious, No?
Of course we have to. Why are you asking me for my take,
You're
Altu Baba?
so
There's
surprised.
no doubt about
You're
it.
so surprised right now, Father.
There's nothing to be surprised. Actually, a lot of people are, whatever they need to do, they're still doing. It really doesn't matter. But at the end, what are you asking Bandhus to call in and share?
No, today is a day of throwback, Faltwani. If you want them to call up and share something, please do let them know.
That's what you're saying, na, Altu Baba?
But I am actually saying that, all those good old times, the partying and all is gone right now. To be just throwing back about all
Oh
these...
my God, you're gonna make me sad. Today's Christmas Eve. We need to be celebrating. There has to be
No.
joys, Altu Baba.
There will be joys, but all these joys we can't do in the COVID times, Baljan. That's why we're doing it on air.
So Altu Baba is saying that he cannot dance in a rave party like this
No,
anymore.
unfortunately,
He can't
no.
go to the beaches and dance like this at
No.
the Santa Cruz beach boardwalk.
No, we can't do it anymore. But we can think about it and actually have khayali palav in our minds, Baljan.
यारा तेरे सदके इश्क सिखा मैं तो आई जग तज के इश्क सिखा मैं तो यारा तेरे सदके इश्क सिखा मैं तो आई जग तज के इश्क सिखा जब यार करे परवाह मेरी मुझे क्या परवाह इस दुनिया की जग मुझ पे लगाए पाबंदी मैं हूँ ही नहीं इस दुनिया की
तुम्ही दिन चढ़े तुम्ही दिन ढले तुम्ही हो बंधु सखा तुम्ही दिन चढ़े तुम्ही दिन ढले तुम्ही हो बंधु सखा तुम्ही every time every minute all the day तुम्ही हो बंधु सखा तुम्ही दिन चढ़े तुम्ही दिन ढले तुम्ही हो बंधु सखा तुम्ही
Now, if you want to go to a particular gathering of more than 10, 15 people, Bananja, it's not advisable also, by the way. So, all these songs today we're presenting Faltwani are the songs which actually are totally useless nowadays. We can't actually try to replicate this in our lives now. No, we
अरे
can't.
लोग कर रहे हैं आलतू मैं बोल रही हूँ ना
I don't
people
believe you, Faltwani. Are people doing it? Give us a call, let us know. What do you think?
Well, what? No, they will not share on air. Are you crazy? Why will they share कि वो लोग मिलके ये
But
सब गाने
Faltwani,
गा रहे हैं?
I seriously am telling you, all these things we can't do anymore. ये सब total mood हो गया. I don't think we can ever have rave party without masks. See, nobody's wearing a mask over there. See? Exactly. My point. And of course, if you want to share with us today any of those activities that they mentioned in a particular song, which you can't do anymore, let us know. 408-912-2479.
मैं हूँ ही नहीं इस दुनिया की
तुम्ही दिन चढ़े तुम्ही दिन ढले तुम्ही हो बंधु सखा तुम्ही दिन चढ़े तुम्ही दिन ढले तुम्ही हो बंधु सखा तुम्ही every time every minute all the day तुम्ही हो बंधु सखा तुम्ही दिन चढ़े तुम्ही दिन ढले तुम्ही हो बंधु सखा तुम्ही
I'll tell you, this COVID situation has changed so much, Faltwani.
Huh.
Not only has it made these kind of, songs totally move to this current times.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
You cannot actually ever have these kind of songs choreographed nowadays.
Yeah. Really?
Imagine you have to maintain 6 feet distance between the dancers.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है तेरे को मालूम नहीं वो सुजैन खान वो सभी लोगों को अरेस्ट भी किया गया था क्योंकि they were all out in some night club partying तेरे को याद नहीं है
Faltwani,
हाँ
my point exactly.
हाँ
You can't do it anymore. It's against the law.
says who
It's against even a few, what I would say, principles of safety.
yeah yes but they're not
They're
really...
being booked, right? They're being cited, right? They have got a fine. They've
Well,
got to pay,
she came
right?
out and she issued a clarification, Altu Baba.
What about
she
clarification?
said that
See-
it was just that it was they just asked them to wait for 3 hours. They had to wait till everybody was processed, and then they were sent home. It wasn't that they were arrested or anything. She made a clarification, but still, Mrs. Khan or whatever. you go by it right now, it was wrong for you to congregate in a big crowd at a discotheque, right?
Forget discotheque. Nowadays, it is even. You can't. See, I'm playing songs right now which I totally feel someone looking at them. I feel like, what is the point in watching these songs? What is the point of playing these songs? What is the point? Because they don't actually connect to reality nowadays. It's totally like a fantasy world right now.
Oh, really?
Yeah, like this song right now we played To Me Dinchare. It's also rave party going on there. Now we can't have this kind of rave party nowadays. You have to have the 6 feet distance between the people, right?
Oh, wow, that's true, actually.
Right? So here's one more song, but it totally makes totally mood right now. And just imagine this particular song.
Oh, God, I knew he has to get her somewhere to the mix. Good Lord, what is wrong with you guys? She's married.
Who?
Vani Kapoor is married.
Is Vani Kapoor the song? Hey, but I'm not talking Vani Kapoor, Father. Just imagine this particular thing. A party outside. It's also a rave party, actually.
Well, outdoors parties are allowed now.
No, you don't. Oh my goodness, you don't know that. We're actually fishing off here and all that. There's not a crowd right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think. Yeah, but see, outdoor parties are allowed, but people are expected to wear masks.
They're not allowed, actually. Hey, Bandhujan, California mein allowed nahi hai.
Allowed nahi hai, by the way. Father, don't listen to what she's saying.
No, but people are, actually.
People might be breaking the law, Father. I'm saying that we're not endorsing that. We're trying to tell you stay safe some more time. But all I'm trying to tell you is, see, it's so bad right now. It's like, when I say bad, I'm talking about, I don't want to make it seem like as it's like a bad, sad show today. It's just that we got to be very cautious. That's all I can tell you.
Hey,
right?
Alto Baba, wait 1 second. My Cairo was telling me that...
Wait, what's a Cairo?
Chiropractor.
Okay.
So she was telling me that it seems her brother-in-law is from Florida, right?
Oh, wow, nice. Okay.
And when he flew in here, he came to Oakland and he was like, what? People are like wearing masks and you actually have to ration people. Apparently in Florida, it's like business as usual. Nobody cares. Everybody walks around without masks. All restaurants are open. There's no restrictions on dining, indoor, outdoor. Kuch bhi nahi hai.
Are you telling me I should move to Florida?
No.
Then what?
So I said, are the infection rates low? She's like, no, are you crazy? It's going through the roof. Just that they're not making a hoo-ha about it. That's all.
Wow.
So, there are certain parts of America. So it kind of, sometimes you wonder ki kya ho raha hai? Do we, with all this masking and all these social distancing protocol, following that, are we like really making a dent in terms of the number of infections? Are we really doing that? Or there are some people like, some other, in the same conversation, she was saying that people argue that what's a big deal? California followed everything. They're the first to implement it. And in spite of that, California was the epicenter.
I know, but I'll tell you one thing. One particular song is coming to mind which actually will stand even now, the test of whatever you call it, right?
Yeah.
What song is it? It's a group song. It's like a group dance kind of a song. Give us a call, let me know which song or which dance will actually work right now.
Yeah.
You can visualize that. But right now, Barajan, this is the song I'm going to play for you guys. Which I think is like, you just have to, it's throwback.
Yeah.
Good old days. Can we do all these kind of things? Can we go to France right now? Can we go to Britain and have this kind of party over there? No, sirree. You'll have to have masks on. Yeah, and masked window like what Falcon only wears sometimes. Just so you can see her smile.
नशे सी चढ़ गई ओए कुड़ी नशे सी चढ़ गई पतंग सी लड़ गई ओए कुड़ी पतंग सी लड़ गई नशे सी चढ़ गई ओए कुड़ी नशे सी चढ़ गई पतंग सी लड़ गई ओए कुड़ी पतंग सी लड़ गई ऐसे खेचे दिल के पेचे गले ही पड़ गई ओए नशे सी चढ़ गई ओए कुड़ी नशे सी चढ़ गई पतंग सी लड़ गई ओए कुड़ी पतंग सी लड़ गई उड़ती पतंग जैसे मस्त मलंग जैसे मस्त सी चढ़ गई हमको तुरंत ऐसे लगती करंट जैसे निकला वारंट जैसे अभी अभी उतरा हो नेट से टोरेंट जैसे नशे सी चढ़ गई ओए कुड़ी नशे सी चढ़ गई पतंग सी लड़ गई ओए कुड़ी पतंग सी लड़ गई नशे सी चढ़ गई ओए
Oh my God, look at Deepa telling us everything in India is normal, Faltwani. How does Deepa know that it's normal? Yeah, it's not. Deepa, I don't think it is.
Wow.
Yeah, I don't think it is normal.
No man, that's what she's saying. People don't care. Like you see all the people congregated at the farmers' protests and
That is
all.
not normal. All of them wearing masks.
No, not all of them.
Really? Not all of them?
Look at some of the pictures. Not all of them are wearing.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Not all of them, but they are wearing masks, right? No? Yeah?
I don't know. I don't know.
Okay. I don't know, but what do you think? Give us a call. 408-912-2479.
जुबां पे चढ़ गई ओए कुड़ी जुबां पे चढ़ गई लहू में बढ़ गई ओए कुड़ी लहू में बढ़ गई कमली कहानियों सी जंगली जवानियों सी जमती पिघलती है पल पल पानियों सी बहती रवानियों सी हंसती शरानियों सी चढ़ गई हम पे बड़ी मेहरबानियों सी ऐसे खींचे दिल के पेचे गले ही पड़ गई ओए नशे सी चढ़ गई ओए कुड़ी नशे सी चढ़ गई पतंग सी लड़ गई ओए कुड़ी पतंग सी लड़ गई कन्नियाओ कट्टे कदी बन्नियाओ टप्पे कदी दिल दे चौराहे लंघदी
And of course, Banja number to call you 408-912-2479 408-912-2479.
आपको कॉल करना है और बताना है क्या आलतू बाबा
क्या तो बता मतलब क्या?
क्या बोलना है
क्या बोलना मतलब क्या है?
उनको क्या बोलना है कॉल करके
उनको कुछ नहीं बोलना है यार.
एंड दीपा अगर मैं ऐसे नहीं बोलूंगी ना कि शी इज मैरिड आलतू बाबा वोंट एवर लेट अप he'll keep playing Vani Kapoor songs.
What?
बार the next song he will play is
Seriously.
Yeah.
Madhuri, seriously, you're sending the wrong message to people.
Yeah.
Oh my God! Just prove. The more you talk, the more we understand. The people understand that you don't know me well. That's
Oh,
fine.
really?
It's okay. It's
Really?
okay. It's okay. It's
Whatever.
fine.
So, Madijan, we're asking you, do you think we will go back to the old normal?
Yeah.
Do you think we will ever go back, even with the vaccines and everything? क्या ये हो सकता है?
Yeah. There's
Yeah.
one particular song which I asked about Bandhu, right?
What song?
What is that song which totally practices social distancing?
What is the song? that
There's one
told-
particular song which is practicing total distancing, social distancing. 6 feet, kya? Almost 8 feet.
Huh?
Yeah.
8 feet social distancing.
Probably, yeah.
क्या?
Yeah. There's one particular song which actually is totally social. It's even app right now which can actually play the song. You can dance kind of song also if you want it.
Oh wow.
Yeah. You know what
Wow.
song it is?
No.
I'm asking Bandhu to give us a call. Let me know. What song could it be?
What is the song that practices complete social distancing?
Physical distancing.
Oh really?
Yes.
I have never heard of something like that.
Think about it, Balajan. You have to think outside the dabba to think about the song. A song which actually, like, you saw all the while I played all these party songs, right? Like, many people are partying, many people congregating together, right? There's one particular song which actually one of the movie makers had a forethought of actually choreographing a particular song which actually practicing physical distancing. Yes, think about it. Were you able to identify Faltoni? Well, if it's difficult for Faltoni itself, I think it's difficult for Bandhus also.
I think I know one song.
Huh?
Yeah.
Really?
नजर जो तेरी लागे मैं दीवानी. She's standing in the middle.
Oh, really?
Everybody's in their own specific little, kamras. They have their own, like, wherever they are sitting.
It's a no man group song. It should be people on the floor, on the dance floor. Faltoni practicing physical distancing.
I don't know about that.
Thoughts about
On
that.
the dance
But
floor,
I like the thought. So, Banujan, if you actually think in the same lines of Faltoni is thinking, you'll get to the song.
Eh?
Yeah.
Really?
They are all on the dance floor.
Everybody's on the dance floor. What?
Yeah, Banujan, give us a call. Faltoni might actually require some help, but and they should all
Which
be.
song is it, Banujan? I really don't know. Can you figure out which song it is, which is a group song?
Yeah.
And supposedly a social distancing group song.
Physical distancing group song. Everybody is like equal distancing everywhere.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, well, actually, Faltoni, I think that particular song you're talking about, Majida Mastani, also will fall in the category.
Yeah, because they're all physically distanced in that particular song.
Yeah, but they're not mingling together. Faltoni, they're not mingling together. Yes, but
They're
okay.
all enjoying a performance together.
They
Kya
are
baat?
enjoying a performance in different areas. So people, the dancers is solo, everybody else is far off, right?
Aha. Deepa saying no way 8 feet distancing Altu Baba.
I will guarantee, Deepa, call me here. I will make it, prove it for you guys.
Acha.
Yeah, 6 feet distance, definitely they have maintained in this.
How do you know?
Hey, Faltoni, I'm telling you, I can tell you this because scientifically also I calculated it actually. I'll tell you why. But Fadisha, give us a call here.
I think I know what it is.
Yes, you know, Faltwani.
Okay,
I
okay,
just share the
okay.
screen with you. You're thinking, your actual thought process is right, Faltwani. Thinking those lines only.
Yeah.
But you just start thinking the way she actually came up with the song of
Yeah.
Deepika Padukone's, what is the movie? What's the movie called? Bajirao
Bajirao
Mastani.
Mastani.
Think of Bajirao Mastani. The same lines, Banijan. Physical distancing wala gala.
एक physical distancing वाला गाना along the same lines बनिचन. You got to call us and you got to tell us right away कि वो गाना कौन सा है. 4089122479 आपको कॉल करना है.
Yeah.
And बताना है ये physical distancing वाला गाना कौन सा है. And sort of like ties into the social distancing concept.
Correct. And I'll tell you what, Father, talking about all those things, right? There's one more particular song which actually is a very interesting song. Which is totally is I can play that song if you want it. What do you think? Should I play that song? I have one more song which actually talks about physical distancing. When it doesn't talk about it, shows physical distancing.
अच्छा.
Right? But before that, let's take a call. What do you think?
Okay, let's go. नमस्कार, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है पम पम के Throwback Thursday में.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
We
and a
wish
Happy
you
New Year.
Feliz Navidad.
Da-da, da-da-da.
Feliz Navidad.
I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. इसमें क्या है तेरी मेरी Christmas? है ये सबकी Christmas. Just wish Happy Christmas to everybody. Deepa, how are you doing?
हाँ मैं ठीक हूँ.
Arey, very good.
Nice.
I didn't ask. Yeah, that's wonderful. Yeah.
Kids love this. They love Christmas songs. हम लोग रोज वही सुनते हैं अभी. मतलब रात को we go for a drive because lot of nice decorations in Mountain House.
Oh, really?
For Christmas lights.
Oh,
Yes.
is it nice? Decorations are nice over there?
What?
Are the decorations very nice?
Yeah, very nice.
Very
Many
good.
people
Have you also
have done,
decorated? I know you
the
got.
decorations of the house.
The whole world knows you got new carpets done, but I don't know about lights in your building.
क्या हुआ?
The whole world knows you got carpets done, right? New carpets.
I know. हे भगवान. अभी क्या हुआ ना? अभी मैंने माइंड में चेंज किया तो भी नहीं कर सकती अभी. I have to put the new carpet.
You have to. I'm sorry. Oh my goodness.
Aldo Baba will make sure that you have new carpets.
सब एरिया को बता दिया कि मेरे घर में नया carpet आने वाला
Hello,
है.
excuse me. You said that the carpet guy came back. Good thing you address the guy. He'll got a lot of business right now. He'll be too busy. So don't tell who it is actually. Don't tell it was Jose and all stuff. It's fine. We'll understand. Achha, by the way, we're talking about a song which actually practices physical distancing.
वही मैं सोच के थक गई. There
थक
is no
गई?
song which is 8 feet. इतना जगह नहीं रहता studio
Okay,
में
not.
India में. Come on.
Hello. Excuse me. ऐसे मत बोलो यार. There was a movie which actually, think in lines of what Father talked to. Father, what you talked to? Which movie? Tell me again.
I talked about Bajirao
वैसे गाने
Mastani.
हैं. बाजीराव मस्तानी जो फालतूरानी ने बताया वैसे गाने हैं मेरे
नहीं,
दिमाग में भी. But nowhere they are 8 feet. वो मैं बोल रही हूँ.
अरे
You
8
can
feet.
say-
8 feet से ज्यादा है
नहीं.
बद. अरे बाबा,
नहीं,
8
नहीं.
feet. See, at least 6
सिर्फ
feet.
हीरोइन है तो ज्यादा है. ये वो भागती रहती है उसके पीछे हीरो भागता रहता है.
अरे
And they are 8 feet apart.
हीरोइन के पीछे 8 feet हवा कभी नहीं होता है आजकल के जमाने में एटलीस्ट. Well, the point is, think of a song wherein okay, now you wear traditional dresses, right?
Yes. नहीं मैं एक गाना है मेरे दिमाग में वो
कौन सा वाला?
बोलूंगी. I don't know whether it's
बोलो
correct
बोलो
or
बोलो
no.
बोलो.
I can think of ऋतिक रोशन वाला वो ए मेरे दिल तो गाए जा from कहो ना प्यारे.
No, in that
The
they are
club song
no,
wherein they at one time they dance on the pond.
Uh-huh.
So each one have their own circle.
Yeah,
They are
but-
standing on the
yeah.
circle and dancing.
No. You're the same lines. You get it. But it's not because that particular song people are gyrating against this body and everything. No. And of course that's not going to work. But this particular song has got a traditional touch to it. Think of in lines of what Faltu talked
Dola re
about.
dola re, yeah?
Dolar also they're a little bit close by actually. Think. You're almost there. You're almost
You're
at that line.
almost there.
It's got. It actually is a historic thing because in this particular movie, the heroine had
Then
to.
again one more thing I can think of is बाजीराव का ही गाना है मोहे रंग दो लाल. वो उससे सारे दूर हैं.
But Mohe Rangdolal, I think she's alone, right? Nobody else around her, right?
No. There are dancers around her.
Oh, really?
But not many because it's a private.
Exactly.
ये
Yeah,
रहता है ना party.
yeah. Hey,
Yeah.
but here's the thing. So I'll tell you what. Shall I give her the answer, Fatoni?
Yeah.
Okay.
Please.
This is the song. think of that song where Deepika Padukone has worn around 50 pounds of gold jewelry.
Oh, rumor.
It's a community dance.
Now you will.
Because you need that circle, right?
Yes, she's
For
wearing.
Zoomer when you, yes.
Yeah. She's so tall. She at least has 3 feet of the ghagra. Okay, and people have to maintain after the 3 feet. They should maintain 1.5 feet.
Correct.
So
You
in
need-
collective,
yes, 6. We can say 6. Yes.
Hey, hello. Excuse me. Calculate, yaar. 3.5. Okay, you got to maintain 1.5 feet from the ghagra circle. So what? It is 4.5 feet times 2 because both of them. If 2 people are dancing, it should be that way. Hey, come on, mathematics, yaar. Yeah. Now you agree? Yes.
Yes.
See now what's what I think what's gonna happen Faltani going forward. We'll only have Gumar dances going on.
Zoomer.
Yeah, and of course they want to Gumkuta also they got to Gumkuta also they got to right?
नहीं, there was a party happened in the कहाँ पे China में कहीं पे भी दिखाया गया ना. They were all wearing some kind of band around their waist.
Obviously.
जो सर्कल था पूरा, तो अगर पास में गए तो टकराएंगे एक दूसरे से. That pipe.
Exactly.
The thingy, whatever they were wearing.
Exactly. So there you go. See, you agree with me, Deepa? Finally, yeah. There is a physical distancing song, right? Yeah.
No, I'm doubtful, but लेकिन है उसमें distance है.
What doubtful? You know what is her height? She's 5'10".
Yeah.
हाँ,
5'9".
5'9".
Yeah.
She's 5'10", Faltani.
She's 5'9".
5'10".
She's 5'9".
5'10".
चलो ठीक है.
Doesn't
तो
matter.
3
Her
feet का उसका
ghagra
घाघरा
is 3.5 feet.
Oh my God.
Her ghagra is 3.5 feet. And then the thing is, ghagra goes that way like that. So they have to maintain 1.5 feet after ghagra finishes. Right? So they don't get entangled together. So 2 people together will become 4.5 feet. 8 feet distance.
Oh my God.
Think about it, yeah. But anyway, good thing is at least we found a song right now which we can enjoy in this particular times.
Yeah.
Deepa, when we meet, we'll do this kind of thing, okay?
Yeah.
We'll do ghagra dance.
Yeah, Deepa said she will never miss 2020, it seems.
Oh, really?
Deepa, you will miss 2020. We became closer in 2020.
Yeah,
Have you
Deepa.
noticed?
Yeah,
We
Deepa.
built community in 2020.
Correct, Deepa. Don't you feel
Right?
that? Every week we started meeting and talking, right, Deepa? Don't you feel that?
Yes.
Suddenly
Yes,
you feel that, Aldo Baba is right in whatever he says. Correct?
ना मैं ऑनलाइन गीत माला मिस करूंगी शायद, लेकिन हम लोग कंटिन्यू करेंगे ऑनलाइन.
Why will you miss online Geetmala? People are waiting for you, no? What is this?
You will come
नहीं
now.
अरे
She's saying
I
I'll
will
miss it.
come to studio. Of course I will come.
No, why you say you want to miss it? It's only got to attend it, no? What are you got to miss it for?
हाँ.
No, she's saying
नहीं मैं
She's saying I'll miss it.
You guys stop doing that मैं बोल रही हूँ.
Stopping हमारे हाथ में नहीं है, आप लोगों के हाथ में यार.
Huh.
Yeah.
Come
As long
on,
as you
yeah,
want
we
it, it'll
last
be
week-
there.
Yes.
Yeah. So thank you, Deepa, for calling in, and we shall keep this community and this connection going. Thank
Yeah.
you. Enjoy. Abhi dance karo hamare
Yeah.
saath.
Yes,
Yes.
Deepa. Thank you, Deepa. Sundaro. Thanks. And of course, Bajan, I want to play this song, Fatani, but it's been a long time to play this song. This came out in 2018. Was this the song which was this the movie she had issue with?
She had an issue with this song. 2016. 2017, I think. Because we interviewed her in November, right? Or December.
Something like that.
We spoke to her in December, and then she said, yeah, there's all this political stuff going on. And then
Yeah.
we were supposed to, it was supposed
Then she
to.
told us not to play until she actually clears everything out.
Yeah. So, and finally
2017, I
released
guess.
in 2017. 2017, or 2018?
2018 released.
2018 it
March
released.
release finally.
Yeah.
Something in March. I remember 2018. I remember, but just imagine, Fatani, that time this guy Sanjay Leela Bansal thought of physical distancing. Hats off to the fellow, man. Like I tell you, sometimes some creative people are that way. Geniuses.
Appa, whatever, man. Seriously.
What? He's not number born for me to be talking about that way, right?
I don't know when he's born. He must be a Virgo.
Really?
I thought.
Virgo's very creative that way, huh?
I think so.
Are you sure about
Yeah,
this?
we're very creative, Alto Baba.
Please make up because it doesn't
अरे
seem to-
तू क्या इतने सारे लोगों के बारे में बात कर रहा है. हमारा डिंचक दांडिया कैसे किया हमने?
अच्छा किया
तू सोच ना कैसे
हमने drive through किया ना?
ड्राइव थ्रू किया और हमने फिजिकली डिस्टेंस डिंचक दांडिया किया. कैसे किया हमने अपना
अच्छा किया.
प्रज्ञा का कैसे किया हमने
creatively किया फालतू नहीं creatively.
कर्ब साइड एग्जैक्टली. वो
Halloween.
क्रिएटिविटी कैसे आया?
कैसे आए? Because हम लोग creative है. Because you have a number second born in your team.
No, you also have a Virgo in your team who conceptualizes it. Implementation and bringing it to form, of course, Altu Baba.
Conceptualization, implementation. Oh my God, big words now.
Yeah.
But Father, whatever it is, number second born people have got wonderful ideas, by the way. So good for you.
And what about the Secret Santa?
Secret Santa.
The drive-through.
Yeah.
Huh?
Oh, by the way, Secret Santa was wonderful. Hey, I want to give a shout out to everybody out there who donated today for Secret Santa. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
We actually got a couple of more. Actually, one more request we had,
Yeah.
and we hopefully will be fulfilling it midnight tonight. The Secret Santa was going to close.
Huh.
We had to make 25 additional bags.
Yes.
And thank you for everybody who made it. We have come up to around 15 right now.
Huh.
10 more bags to go. If you feel that you can actually donate towards this cause, go ahead and do it. This actually goes to families which probably, I wouldn't say families, people who actually are individuals with special needs,
Yeah.
who are adults. Matlab who gone or grown out of the child part of it, right? But still are adults and but require care, right? And unfortunately, they don't have families who can actually take care of them. What we are trying to do is trying to see if we can spread the cheer of the season in them as well. It's hard. COVID has been really hard on them because they all depend on supports. Many times support's not able to provide the adequate support because of COVID, thanks to all this physical distancing part of it. It is really stressful for some of them because they, many things is like, they also will go through loneliness, isolation, all the stuff. This is one way of us trying to say, hey, you know what, somebody's thinking of you, just hang in there, just a smile on their face.
Yeah.
We make a gift bag with some nice goodies in them and some nice memorable things they can keep for the future. Could be something interesting like a novelty item.
Right.
Could be something very interesting like a chocolate also for people to enjoy. All this kind of stuff. We make those bags. We put the bags together. All you have to do is just help us put it together by sponsoring a bag.
Yeah.
We have to get 10 more bags going. So if you want to go do it right now. Pragnya.org. Midnight tonight is going to close out because we need to get the bags ready for Santa to go drop it off to people tomorrow morning. First thing.
That's right, Banajan. So
But actually,
tonight.
Happy is going to go tonight, right? Midnight is what they're going to do, right?
Yeah.
So if you have the bags ready
Well,
tonight.
some of them have already been delivered, Aldababa. And apparently, Banajan, let's tell you, people who are developmentally different, na. अगर आप सोच रहे हैं क्या ये developmentally different, neurodiversity क्या है, these are people who have autism or people who have Down syndrome, people who have cerebral palsy, जिनके मतलब कुछ developmental differences होते हैं, जो भी Fragile X syndrome होता है या कुछ उनके certain they're not really built like the way many of us are.
Mm-hmm. They require some kind of support from the community or somebody from them. And generally, as a child, people will have support from the parents or family or whatever it is. But once they grow older, because it's a lifelong situation for them, they suddenly depend on.
So think about it, Bandijan, when they're aging, everybody ages, right? As they're aging, their aging parents also pass away, and they don't have familial support. So at that time, this is what they lose that natural circle of support, and they're largely reliant on people. In the event their parents have been, they've been lucky enough to get paid support, right?
Yeah.
Or if the system gives them some kind of paid support, like, there are services from the Department of Developmental Services and things like that, where they get that paid support, but really there's nobody else who's checking in on them, finding out how they're doing, that kind of thing. And that's where most of the neglect and, all that comes in. There are some wonderful organizations doing some great work in supporting these individuals, but at the same time, it's nothing like just doing this without any strings attached. You know what I mean? Like without
just a gift saying that, hey, you know what, you're awesome.
Yeah.
Or rather, just saying that we love you.
Yeah.
And we're writing personalized cards for them also, Banajan. So if you want to write one, so you can send the message in the particular form which we have on our page.
Yeah.
Facebook.com, not Facebook.com, sorry, it's pragnya.org, and click on the banner which says Secret Santa.
That's right, Banajan. And it closes tonight, so please do go ahead and donate if you'd like to from there. And then we'll try to get as much cheer out as possible. We will be sitting and working tonight to make more of those bags. Now let's go to a physically distanced Ghana. That is Altu Baba's. I don't know, he's throwing back 3 years, I think, right now.
Yeah.
To see one of his favorite flames, Deepika Padukone, Ghumar Away.
Now you can say she is married, we understand.
She is married, yes.
Don't you see, we don't play much of her songs nowadays.
कनक पीत की सर पे ओढ़ कर घूमर घूमर
are listening to Radio D Hotties, powered by Mahima Creations.
मस्ताना सारा जमाना हॉटिस का दीवाना जमाना का है सुन लो ये पापा मस्ताना सारा जमाना शाद कर दे जो कभी भी खत्म ना हो दिल में मजा वो भर दे सुन लो मेरी बात सारा जमाना हॉटिस का दीवाना जमाना कहे सुन लो ये पापा मस्ताना सारा जमाना खुशियाँ भी साथ लाए
हर मर्ज की दवाएं
हर दर्द भी मिटाए
महिमा से हमने सीखा
जीने का ये तरीका
जी भर के मुस्कुराना
दिल को के गुनगुनाना सीख लो बन जा सारा जमाना हॉटिस का दीवाना जमाना कहे सुन लो ये पापा मस्ताना सारा जमाना हॉटिस का दीवाना जमाना कहे सुन लो ये पापा मस्ताना
You are listening to Radio D Hotties, powered by Mahima Creations. The views and opinions expressed by the hosts, guests, or callers of this show do not necessarily reflect those of the staff or management of Radio D Hotties. The content broadcast on this show is meant for informational and entertainment purposes only.
Radio D Hotties, the best and hottest Indian radio network in the entire world.
Mahima Creations
Proudly present Premier Evening Drive Time Show. Bam Bam!
Yes, you heard it right.
Bam Bam! Every
Monday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Friday. Let's beat the traffic.
Bam Bam!
Bye-bye. नमस्कार
नमस्ते
नमस्कार
वणक्कम
खुशामदीद
सलामकुम
सत श्री अकाल
మీకందరికి వందనములు
जय स्वामी नारायण
जय श्री कृष्ण
जय जिनेंद्र
मैं स्वामी भाई बंधुओं को बोलते हैं या अली मदद
मौला अली मदद बोलते हो सर फीजी मदद बोलेंगे नीसा मुल्ला
हम आ गए हैं बंधु जैन
आपके प्यारे महिमा के द्वारे मैं सफाल तू बा 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 बा
domani go alto baba baba Baba.
And Faltrani.
And girls, myself, your darling Pyari, Faltu Rani.
Aaj hai Throwback Thursday, Burjan. Matlab, we're not going to throw you back. Faltrani, please don't do that.
No?
Every time she does the thing, I know she's going to snap something and I get scared of the thing.
Rascala.
What?
Kya?
Hasn't it happened before? You've thrown your back multiple
Yes,
times. Have you?
you've
Not?
kinda-
Have you not? Yes or no? That's why you talked about a Cairo also.
Yeah.
जब back की बात होती है तो chiropractor की बात होती है.
That's true.
Everybody in California definitely go to a chiropractor or a psychiatrist, right?
That's true. Ah!
I not you.
There's nothing wrong, okay? Please don't shame mental health.
Hello, I'm just saying that everybody in California either a psychologist or they go to a psychologist.
They go to a chiro or a psychiatrist, you said.
Same
Told
difference.
you to bed, okay? But this is, you
Yeah.
cannot crack jokes about these things. There are definitely people with mental health issues and some people who are completely in denial, who suffer from
Let me
borderline
tell you one thing,
personality
Fadlan.
disorder. You need to go to the
Yes.
psych.
I
Seriously.
definitely have the thing. I know that.
Yeah.
Yes, and but then I'll tell you, I'm a biggest psycho out here, and what I'm trying to say, Faltran, is yes, I can crack a joke. Is it right to crack a joke? I don't know about that. Now, the point I'm making is we're talking about Throwback Thursday. We're talking about how we know situations have changed for us. COVID has brought us a new thing to us right now.
Huh.
You know why, Fadrani? I could not imagine I would ever have a piece of plastic in front of my mouth and my nose and breathe.
Yeah.
I never thought I would do it. I never would do it, but I did it. For the past 2 days, suffered big time.
Oh God, Bandhujan, you're not going to believe it. And what happens is they've given these government-made masks. I have to give feedback about that. Seriously, these masks are like this. Okay, Bandhujan, I gotta show you. I'll show you the mask. I'll actually wear it.
It
and
looks
show
like
it
a
to you.
dog mask, actually.
Yeah, well, it looks like a
dog muzzle.
muzzle. Yeah. And then the worst part is, I thought, when I speak, so much spit comes out of what? It's not.
It's not.
Actually
It's the
just
moisture.
It's the moisture that gathers inside the thing that it kind of fogs up. I was like, first I thought, oh my God, how horrible. I've been like speaking with so much spit coming out of my mouth, but it's really not. And then I figured out that it's actually the condensation inside the thing.
The purpose behind having that, the best part is the purpose behind having the window also, Parajan.
Yeah.
It was actually a very nice thought. I'm not saying no. It is for people who actually don't, who are, the sign language speakers. For them, they watch the lip movement. So for that to be clear, they wanted to have a clearing in the mouth period so they can read the mouth, lips and everything, right?
Yeah, and at the same
Lip reading part.
Yeah, and also for developmentally different individuals, Manachan, जो हम लोग developmentally disabled बोलते हैं, अगर बच्चे होते हैं,
Yeah.
वो सीखते हैं speech therapy के लिए. They have to look at your lips when you're talking and the way you enunciate. They need to be able to look. That's part of the reason why the the DDS made these masks. लेकिन इन मास्कों में कुछ दिखाई नहीं देता है.
Yes, mask में कुछ दिखा नहीं देता. Father, I'm not telling you, good old days, man. When will you come to the point we'll not have any masks anymore?
Yeah.
We're talking about activities and songs which are totally moot right now. Right?
हाँ.
In the previous hour, we talked about no more gathering together, dancing together. नहीं होगा आजकल.
Actually,
You can't do rave parties. You can't do. Only thing which you can do is do Ghumar dance.
घूमरे घूमरे घूमरे
And I'm sorry, I don't know how many of you
and
want
even
to
that you'll have to wear like a thing like this.
Ghungat, right?
Like, no, what do you call that? That
Veil.
veil across, yeah.
Something that we got to wear.
Yeah.
But anyway, one more thing, Faltani, has totally changed. You know what, Faltani?
Bol.
The good old times is to have in classrooms.
Classrooms are. What kind of classrooms?
What do you mean, what kind of class? Classrooms, yeah.
अरे classroom की बात छोड़ो आलतू बाबा आजकल स्कूल भी बंद पड़े हैं.
Exactly my point.
Then the kids are not getting to congregate, they're not getting that social interaction, they're not
Yeah.
getting to do any of those things.
How much fun classrooms were, I'll tell you, Faltani. It
really?
was so much fun classrooms.
Fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was nice.
Not anymore right
Where
now.
you could
Baljan.
sit with your girlfriends and your
Girlfriend.
friend during lunch
Yeah, exactly.
time
Sit
and
with the
chat.
girlfriends and chat with them. I agree with you.
Yeah, that's true. Eh!
What?
I'm talking about sit with your friends, not
Yeah,
तेरे जैसे नहीं इतने सारे girlfriends के साथ बैठ के
Excuse me, so what? The advantage of having co-education is the fact that you can communicate with the other person in your life.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
give it. I mean, other person not
You,
in your life.
you used to talk, is it, Altu Baba?
I was a
I've
very quiet kid. I was a very nice kid, actually. I never talked. People used to talk to me. That's the issue.
Huh.
And they used to get in trouble because I made them talk, it seems. I don't know how far it's true, but anyways.
Oh.
So I remember the first day in my first school, one of the school, I joined from a co-education school, I went to a boys' school, Bandujan.
He couldn't handle it, Bunjan. He wanted the color.
What? What color?
Yeah, girls said how colorful girls are. And in your
Good.
class.
No, but it's not at all, okay? I used to be like a co-education school, but no, my parents thought like, this guy's going bad because I had a lot of complaints coming, so they moved me to a boys' school, okay? Boys' school.
That's because there was nobody to keep an eye on you.
Hey,
Also.
forget the eye on me. The first day of my school, I'll not forget it, but then I actually got... I was not wearing the uniform of the school actually, but I got I was outside during the first day itself.
Oh God, you got disciplined the very first day.
Of course.
क्या किया तुमने?
कुछ नहीं किया. I went to the classroom. The guy next to me, my first friend I met in the school, who became a best friend of mine actually. He started talking to me. He wouldn't stop talking in the math class. My math teacher told me, "Hello, my dear friend. You are very talkative fellow. I never seen you before. Where do you come? I'm first student, sir. I'm coming first day." He's like, "Okay, go stand outside."
First day.
Yeah, first day. Outstanding student,
Well,
Falguni.
Banjan, he's
Flying
already
colours.
told you. This guy was like a bol bachan right from childhood.
I didn't talk that time.
Huh?
Yeah. Ashwin, now do you feel listening to me right now all because of you, dude?
You didn't talk.
Yeah, it was him who talked.
What did he talk?
He just started talking to me. Hi, how are you? Where are you from? All the things.
And both of you got kicked out of class.
Yeah,
Shameless fellows.
yeah. Because he was whispering.
Acha.
I told him to talk loudly. I just told him I can't hear you what he's saying. I asked him loudly.
Okay, Ashwin, if you're listening to this, we need to hear your side of the story.
Yeah.
I don't know where you are. You must be in India somewhere.
He's in India happily. No, he's an MMA fighter, by the way.
Huh?
Yes, he's an MMA fighter.
What?
Yeah. MMA fighter, MMA fighting.
You're serious?
I'm serious. He's actually an MMA fighter right now, actually. He's very famous.
Wow.
Yeah, he's in the, what do you call that? In the Bangalore belt, or a southern belt. He's one of the leading
You're
guys.
kidding. Is he on your LinkedIn and all now?
Not
You,
linked.
you guys have
Why will it be LinkedIn? Why will I be, okay, first of all, why will I be linked to a MMA fighter's LinkedIn? Why?
I don't know. How would you keep in touch or Facebook maybe? Who
He's
knows?
famous, that's all, dude. That's all. Simple, like how I'm famous, he also is famous right now. That's all simple.
Wow, nice.
Anyway, but the point I'm making is schools have changed.
Huh.
Yeah.
Huh.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, I want to play a song which actually we can't play anymore. Because it won't apply to our nowadays life.
Really?
Yeah. Classroom ka halla gulla.
देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई हे देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई बारिश है या आसमान ने छोड़ दिए हैं नल खुले कहीं हाँ हम जैसे देखे ये जहां है वैसा ही जैसी नजर अपनी खुल के सोचे आओ पंख जरा फैलाओ रंग नए बिखराओ चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले
All those good old days of masti in the classroom is gone right now. Well, let me say hi to Shri Ajobaji. Thank you so much. She said, I love your program. Only the program, not us. That's okay, I'll survive.
Where are you listening from? हमें बताइए श्री अजोबा जी. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you.
बम बम बम
Bum bum bum,
बम 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 बोले
bum bum bole,
बम चिक बोले
bum chick bole,
मस्ती में डोले
masti mein dole, bum bum bole, दुनिया
मस्ती में
सारे
डोले.
बोले.
बम बम बोले
मस्ती में तू डोल रे बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले
Bum bum bole, masti mein tu dol re.
भला मछलियां भी क्यों उड़ती नहीं
Well, actually they do. It's called a flying fish.
ऐसे भी सोचो ना सोचो सूरज रोज नहाए या बाल भिगो के ये बुद्धू बनाए हमें ये सारे तारे टिमटिमाए या फिर गुस्से में कुछ बड़बड़ाते रहे खुल के सोचे आओ पंख जरा फैलाओ रंग नए बिखराओ चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले
And of course, the beautiful voice of Sean Amir Khan. Music, of course, Shankar Ehsan and Aloy Mendonza Banjan. This is again lyrics by you know who? Prasoon Jose.
और रट रट के क्यों टैंकर फुल
Tanker full.
आंखें बंद तो डब्बा गुल ओए बंद दरवाजे खोल रे हो जा बिंदास बोल रे मैं भी हूँ तू भी है ओ मैं भी तू भी हम सब मिलके बम चिक बम 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 बम
Pam pam bale, masti mein sab dol rahe. Faltani, see all those throwback days. Even the parents are saying like, although I agree with you, kids were better off in school.
क्या? Kids what? What? क्या बोला?
Parents never take school for granted going forward.
Why?
They know how much of trouble kids are sitting at home.
Yes, that's true actually.
Hey, but you know, 281 days, Faltani, we've gotten used to many things.
Yes, that's
And
true.
now we know how much of a drain schools have been.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
And how much of a taxpayer money is not helping you.
Right.
Whatever tax you're paying, stop paying taxes for schools.
Oh God, no. क्या बोल रहा है? You cannot stop paying taxes randomly.
Like how they say, defund police department, defund schools.
Hey.
What? No.
Altu baba.
We need that.
Public school system तो चलना है, right?
Hey, give the money to the people. No, they can spend better, I suppose. Give them tax breaks.
Well,
because
that's
schooling, if you're actually schooling a kid at home, give them tax breaks.
Yeah, exactly.
That's what I'm trying to tell you.
Exactly.
You don't have to pay so much.
Teachers unions sabhi, you know what? Full respect for teachers. I'm pretty sure a lot of parents would have got a lot of respect for teachers.
Unions.
Yeah, but we're talking about the fact that many of our students are not able to function and do very well in distance learning because obviously we've not mastered it. And there are many studies that show that distance learning doesn't really work.
Okay, forget it, Fadroni. We're not actually, forget about distancing. We don't even got what learning is.
That's true.
We never learned.
Yeah, learning is through experience, right?
Yeah.
We always believe that, Banujan. In fact, most of the things, of course, I used to ratta marofai. That's another thing altogether.
That's true.
But
I'm not kidding about she used to have buckets and buckets.
The
to mug.
concepts that I really remember.
The way I used to think of Fadroni is the fact that a bucket of all the textbooks. I used to feel like either she takes textbooks, she used to like soak it up in water, make it like a juice, and take a mug and go glug 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 on the thing. She used to be like, my God, worse than a bookworm.
I'm not kidding, Manja. Some formulae which I still do not get why integral calculus and differential calculus needs to be there. But yeah, all of you scientists and all the nerds, good for you. I'm very happy for you. But those are things that are really, that was my bugbear.
You need calculus when you want to cut pizza, Fatrani.
Yeah, I don't care. I don't need calculus for anything. I don't want pizza. It's fine.
My God.
But I'll tell you, if it was not for Maratha Marufang, I wouldn't have ever been able to pass without that. So
that is where the intellect and wisdom are two different things. In her case, only intellect came. Nothing. Learning.
तेरे को मालूम है?
हाँ बोल.
अच्छा, integral of sin theta बता.
Integral of sin theta, integral.
क्या?
Yeah.
Waste fellow. कुछ भी नहीं. Pythagoras theorem बताओ. Pythagorean theorem बताओ. Rascal. याद नहीं रहता. That's why I'm saying, Mudijan, certain things. Why I said learn by...
First and foremost, why would you want to learn Pythagoras right now?
Wait. I'm saying you remember these concepts based on the experiences that you have. There'll be some, when you do group study and stuff, you'll discuss these concepts, you understand it better. There could be a joke that'll be somebody would have
That is a mistake you're doing, Faltrani. That's a mistake you're doing. You must imbibe it. I know Pythagorean theorem as it is, it's a pie.
Kya?
Take a pie, cut it into multiple pieces and go.
Oh God!
The size of the piece is directly proportional to the size of the piece is directly proportional to the circumference of the pie.
Oh God, that is so horrible and so terrible.
And the best Pythagorean theorem is going to be Pythag pie, which it's got blueberries and strawberry pie.
Nonsense. Kuch bhi bolega.
And chicken pot pie. Speaking of all this, Fatrani, one more thing was changed right now, which really I miss. Good old days.
Good old days kya? Oh, going to the restaurant and eating with bandus?
Yes, Fatrani.
Yes, Manujan, we used to do lunch with Altu Faltu. You guys remember? We used to hang out together. We used to go to the restaurants and then eat over there. Oh my God.
Now all that is gone. Just imagine wonderful historic songs like this are no longer being valid for us right now. We can no longer go to the restaurant and sing this kind of thing on the table, but they'll throw it out of the restaurant. All you got right now is just order online, go pick up in plastic bags. You know how much I found on those bags?
लेकिन आलतू
बोल
आउटडोर डाइनिंग तो कुछ जगह अलाउड है ना अभी भी?
ये आप पे तो अलाउड नहीं है ना चौक पे.
ढाबे में तो अलाउड है.
ओके फाइन फालतू नहीं राइट.
ढाबे में अलाउड है राइट?
हाँ ठीक है अलाउड है.
हाँ.
अलाउड है क्या? No, nowadays that is not allowed. You're supposed to take it home and eat it. You're not supposed to eat outside.
That's only in California, Alto Baba. Certain parts.
Fine, let's move to Florida.
चौधरी ढाबा रात दिन यहाँ शोर शराबा चौक चांदनी चौधरी ढाबा रात दिन यहाँ शोर शराबा आधा है नॉन वेज और वेज है आधा स्पष्ट कीजिए क्या है इरादा चाहिए नान या रोटी चाहिए रान या बोटी मंगा लो राम कसम कष्ट हो जाए थोड़ी बिरयानी बुखारी थोड़ी फिर नल्ली निहारी ले आओ आज धर्म भ्रष्ट हो जाए दे किचन से आवाज चिकन कुकड़ू कू तेरी भूख का इलाज चिकन कुकड़ू कू यही कहता है आज चिकन कुकड़ू कू खाली पेट का इलाज चिकन कुकड़ू कू दे किचन से आवाज चिकन कुकड़ू कू तेरी भूख का इलाज चिकन कुकड़ू कू यही कहता है आज चिकन कुकड़ू कू खाली पेट का इलाज चिकन कुकड़ू कू
If you're wondering which movie बदजान बजरंगी भाईजान मोहित चौहान की आवाज बने लिरिक्स बाय मयूर पुरी.
लगी गला सूखे कुएं का पंप हुआ बुड़ 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 बोलता हर अंग हुआ हर तन में है भूकंप हुआ
And the music of Pritam
हुआ राई का पहाड़ हुआ उड़ा चेहरे का भी है रंग हुआ बुड़ 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 बोलता हर अंग हुआ हर तन में है भूकंप हुआ लाओ कोफ्ता लाओ कोरमा लाओ शोरबा लाओ शर्मा सारे उपवास भले नष्ट हो जाए थोड़ी बिरयानी बुखारी थोड़ी फिर नल्ली निहारी ले आओ आज धर्म भ्रष्ट हो जाए किचन से आवाज चिकन कुकड़ू कू तेरी भूख का इलाज चिकन कुकड़ू कू यही कहता है आज चिकन कुकड़ू कू खाली पेट का इलाज चिकन कुकड़ू कू किचन से आवाज चिकन कुकड़ू कू
देखो फालतू all these kind of songs you can't sing anymore because of COVID-19. Thanks to COVID-19. Oh my
नहीं
God.
आलतू बाबा तू क्या बात कर रहा है? You can sing. ये गाना ना सही हम लोग मैंने बोला ना इसमें ढाबा है अगर बाहर वो जो इंडिया में ढाबा होता है ना हाईवे टाइप तो तू बाहर बैठ के खा सकता है राइट?
Yeah, you got
It doesn't Chandni Chowk. Okay, no, you can't sit in Chandni Chowk, but at least you can sit on the highway of Bangalore, Tumkur highway, and all that stuff.
Tumkur. Oh my God, Tumkur. You said, Father. Did you say Tumkur?
Bangalore, Tumkur, or what a Dodbalapur is it?
Dodbalapur.
Wait, is there a highway there?
There's Dodbalapur highway. Yes.
Yeah, or the Bangalore Chennai highway.
Chennai, Hosur Road.
Hosur Road, yeah,
Yes,
whatever
yes.
that is. Over there also.
But we don't get North Indian dhabas in Hosur Road, Fatwani.
Really, we don't?
No.
Okay, chalega. There now Sangeeta restaurants and all have come.
Oh, really?
Yeah, there's many of these Indian
No.
restaurants.
You'll have non-vegetarian restaurants there.
Non-vegetarian. Oh, okay. So,
Yeah, but why are you talking about that right now?
no, I'm not talking about that. I'm saying that if it's outdoor dhaba where you have that khattiya that they put no outside and they sit and they eat, that you can still do in India, I think.
Oh.
But America में नहीं है. लेकिन
बोल
एक स्टाइल जो है ना आलतू बाबा that doesn't go out of his style. You
Which
can
one?
still do this, no?
Oh, really?
You can still do this.
Oh my God, that's
रास्ते में जाते जाते खा सकते हो ना? दीपा dedicated to you. तेरे favorite singer का.
How Phillips ruined people's mind, I'll tell you.
Why? What happened?
People who are like historians
Huh.
will hate the song.
Why?
People who are purists will hate the song.
Why?
Because this particular song shows.
It starts in Vidhan Chowda.
No, forget that.
Then?
Okay, fine. That's also there. But actually speaking, you know, there's a very historic location in Bangalore. People who go to Bangalore know this.
Huh.
It's called the Bangalore Palace.
Huh.
It's a one of its kind. It's an architectural thing of the
Marvel.
Mysore. What do you call them? Mysore family.
No.
What do you call them? Maharaja.
Maharaja. the
Mysore
Maharaja.
Maharajas. It actually is taken over by the government, by the way.
Yeah.
लेकिन इन्होंने उस पर्टिकुलर पैलेस के सामने
हाँ.
ठेला गाड़ लगा दिया. And people, we don't know, but it's a very nice place. It's like all the typical that British kind of, what do you call it?
The Kaddi ice. Kuchi ice.
Right. They have British style architecture.
In the background.
In the background. And it is the Bangalore Palace. We don't know, but it's a palace grounds, by the way. And they were employed like about 25, 30 gadis.
Yeah.
Only giving kuchi ice and all stuff there.
Oh God.
Hey Deepa, क्या मिर्ची लगी तेरे को? I will play the song, Deepa. Don't worry. Sorry for listening, pleasure. But come on, I want to share this because I'm seeing the particular areas. I know. I grew up in that area.
Yeah.
Now they're going to Vidhan Sabha, ruining up the whole place there also. It's a posh area it is actually. It's in the AGS bus stand actually. It's called AGS bus stand.
Aha, the thela gadi pani puri.
There's one thing good about India, no? Doesn't matter what it is, COVID or no COVID, people definitely go eat all this stuff, right?
चले चाहे सारा जमाना, चाहे तुझे तेरा दीवाना, चले चाहे सारा जमाना, चाहे तुझे तेरा दीवाना, संग तेरे मैं भाग जाऊं, नजर किसी को भी ना, लोग दिल वालों से यार जलते हैं, कैसे बताऊं क्या क्या चाल चलते हैं, मैं तो गाड़ी से जा रहा था, मैं तो सीटी बजा रहा था, मैं तो टोपी फिरा रहा था, ओ गाड़ी से जा रहा था, सीटी बजा रहा था, टोपी फिरा रहा था, तुझको धक्का लगा तो मैं क्या करूं, तुझको धक्का लगा तो मैं क्या करूं. मैंने जो सरकाई खटिया तो आपको लगा बड़ा घटिया, लेकिन मैंने किसी को बुरी नजरों से देखा नहीं, मैंने बेमौत लोगों को मारा नहीं, किसी बेगुनाह के दिल में बेवजह खंजर उतारा नहीं, दुनिया के सर्कस का मैं तो एक जोकर हूँ, नाचता हूँ गाता हूँ आपका दिल बहलाता हूँ, रहा था, मैं तो भेलपुरी खा रहा था, मैं तो लड़की घुमा रहा था, ओ रास्ते से जा रहा था, भेलपुरी खा रहा था, लड़की घुमा रहा था। तुझको मिर्ची लगी तो मैं क्या करूं, तुझको मिर्ची लगी तो मैं क्या करूं।
And of course, Banjan, one of the things which you can enjoy right now probably is going eating bhelpuri and stuff like that. Or in this case, of course, you're going eating tacos or something like that from a roach truck.
Well, Bandhujan, हम आपको बताना चाहते हैं, those of you watching us on Facebook, and thank you to our bandhus who are messaging us that this, for some reason on 1310 AM and on 92.9 FM, something, the music has changed for some reason. We don't know what's going on with regard to the connectivity issues. We are addressing it, but you can continue to listen to us on the app. Thank you so much for messaging us and letting us know. And also, we're trying to fix the issue with something with regard to क्या पता यार, टेक्नोलॉजी है, मैन मेड है, ऑब्वियसली फॉल्ट्स रहेंगे.
Exactly, but download कीजिएगा अपने ऐप को. अपने आप
It's going perfectly well on our app, Bandhujan. So you can download the Radio D Hotties app, जहाँ पे भी आप सुनना चाहते हैं, enjoy करना चाहते हैं.
Hey.
Radio D Hotties on iOS and Android. And जैसे हमारी दीपा जी है, I think हमारे मीनाक्षी जी हैं, हमारे विशाल जी हैं, ये सभी क्या करते हैं, ये Facebook वाले लाइव वीडियो को स्ट्रीम करते हैं.
Very good.
टीवी पे.
तो क्रिएटिविटी.
हाँ, तो वो कुछ लिखा था दीपा जी ने, मैं भूल गई. चाय पीते हुए, आलतू फालतू के साथ गप्पे लड़ाते हुए, पकोड़े खाते हुए, जो भी, इतना मजा जो आता है कहीं और नहीं आता है, right?
Of course, yes, agree.
So I am so happy and thankful and grateful that there are so many bandhus even during COVID.
Mm-hmm.
इस टाइम में भी जब लोग कहते हैं कि रेडियो पे कौन सुनेगा, भाई कोई रेडियो पे नहीं, रोड पे नहीं जाता है. हमारे तो व्यूअरशिप, लिसनरशिप सब इंक्रीज हो गया है. I cannot believe it.
Hey, so download the app because you can listen to all those people, tons of people listening to us from all parts of the world.
Yeah.
Germany, India, सब लोग सुन रहे हैं हमें वहाँ पे.
Yeah, we also have bandhus who are listening from Spain, right?
Yes, Spain. Today,
Australia.
Today we have people from Australia.
How is it going? What should we say? Down under? I don't know.
You should say, what's up, mate?
What's up, mate?
Yes.
How's it going?
Yes. And of course, मीनाक्षी ने कमेंट डाला है फेसबुक पे, जो मानता हूँ मीनाक्षी जी, आप जो बोल रहे हैं मैं मानता हूँ.
क्या बोल रहे हैं?
बोल रहे हैं कि रास्ते का माल खाना is more dangerous in COVID as compared to sit and eat outside.
अरे
I'll tell you what happened is, it was a big movement, Faltu. I don't know if you noticed this. All the aunties and all the ladies in India started saying that, oh, no, the COVID is very affecting us very badly. It's affecting our taste buds and everything. What happened was, is to go eat outside in the park, right? In those, where the stip and all, right?
Correct.
Suddenly, all the street vendors are wearing gloves and doing the stuff. So, they were not able to find the taste of salt.
कुछ भी छी थू.
What?
ओहो, क्या बात करता है आलतू
Pani
बाबा.
puri, how do you please to dunk that way in the pani
नहीं,
puri?
एक्चुअली ना एक चीज है,
हाँ.
इंडिया में, हाँ, शायद ही हमारे इन्फेक्शन रेट ज्यादा हो इंडिया में, ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज इट्स द लार्जेस्ट पॉपुलेशन, या राइट, एंड वी डोंट हैव सच अ कंट्रोल्ड एनवायरनमेंट लाइक चाइना डज, राइट, कि इतना कंट्रोल करे. लोगों को एक बार ऐसे बोल दिया तो सभी को फॉलो करना पड़ता है, लो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है इंडिया में. एवरीबडी हैज, इट्स अ डेमोक्रेसी एंड पीपल डू व्हाटएवर दे वांट टू डू, काइंड ऑफ थिंग, राइट?
Yeah.
So there's that freedom and that liberty, which is a good thing. Let's not take that for granted. लेकिन एक चीज है, even though the infection rate is high, the recovery rate, which we haven't, the world has yet to see, recovery rate is the highest in India.
Yeah, when we can patch off all what's sitting on the roads.
Yeah, what? Eating, I'm not kidding you, okay? Altu used to get me a vada pav. Okay, and this was like when we were in Mumbai, there was another बंधु मतलब हमारे दोस्त थे, तो वो अंकल जी हमें लेके जाते थे, ये आलतू उनके साथ घूमता था, मतलब they used to go out looking for the best places, like the hidden places to get good vada pav.
Yes, and the best one was next to drainage.
No, yeah, they brought each weekend, it was like a thing that we had to do. So one day they brought, there was a mast vada pav. It was so good, dude. It was not compared to any other vada pav that I've ever eaten in my life. And then I said, let's go there one day. I told Altu when we went, and then he showed me the, recently bole to a few years ago, he showed me the place where that's available. No matter how much I still remember the taste in my mouth, I will never eat that because of the location where it is. It's such a ghattiya kind of location, Gunjan. It's like really next to the drainage and everything, but the food was great and I didn't get sick from it the first time round.
Yeah.
Right? But now, because mentally I'm thinking ki, germs honge, ye honge, I will definitely get sick. So anyway, I'm just, my thing to Meenakshi ji is, कि हमारा जो इंडिया से जब हम लोग आते हैं ना, हमारा इम्यूनिटी तगड़ा होता है, I think, because we are exposed to so much gand, right, and filth.
So mean you are. It is called Sugandh. That's right, because good thing. Yeah.
Yeah. And
hey, Faltani, please stop it. Don't do all those things.
What,
hey,
man?
it's okay. That's our culture, dude. It's okay. Yeah.
तुमने मीनाक्षी जी का next comment नहीं पढ़ा.
Purpose नहीं पढ़ा.
Thank you. Mwah. Thank you so much, Meenakshi.
क्योंकि वो comment में मुझे एकदम, I was not very agreeing with that thing.
अरे क्या? You don't agree?
Okay, fine. आंखों से बहुत डांस करती है. Yes, बहुत डांस कर लेती है.
अच्छा.
हाँ, मौके पे चांस पे डांस कर लेती है.
हाँ, मेरे को डांस नहीं, मैं चुप नहीं बैठ सकती.
Hey, but Faltani, but tell you what, you inspire me to think of one more song which actually apply right now.
हाँ.
When you talk about dhaba waba going out and eating on there, right?
हाँ.
It's possible.
हाँ.
We can go order from inside, sit outside, put up a table and eat.
हाँ.
Like in this particular song, Faltani. What a beautiful song it is. Aha. ढाबे में how shoot a Balajan. Oh.
सर घूमे चक्कर
Katrina Kaif. Oh, I'm sorry. Badubala. Ha ha ha.
दिल दिल
हाँ,
से
अभी इसकी शादी नहीं हुई ना, आलतू?
क्या? किसकी? क्या बात है?
कटरीना की?
अच्छा हुआ नहीं अभी तक?
हाँ.
लेकिन उसने तो वो
भाई सुन रहा है.
भाई सुन रहा है?
हाँ.
हे भाई, कैसे भाई? भाभी का ख्याल रखना.
में चक्कर खाए दिल दिल से टक्कर खाए और मैं खोया के तू खो गया
सर घूमे चक्कर खाए दिल दिल से टक्कर खाए और मैं खोया के तू खो गया
जो ना है दिखता जाए जो है वो दिख ना पाए और आंखों को ये क्या हो गया
ओ बिन चाबी खुल जाए मस्ती का ताला
छोरी लागे जोरू झोरा लगे साला पनघट पे नाचे हाँ पनघट पे नाचे नाचे रे नाचे मधुबाला पनघट पे नाचे रे नाचे मधुबाला पनघट पे नाचे रे नाचे मधुबाला दग दगड़ दांग दग दुम दांग दग दगड़ दांग दग दुम दांग दग दगड़ दांग दग दुम दांग दग दगड़ दांग दग
हाँ दिल के हैं छक्के छोटे छोकरे लटकों झटकों से अपना रोक रे हो तू तो नैनों में मेरे छा रहा छुट्टी तुझको तू चाहे जो करे हाँ
अब अकल अकेली भटके रे दिल सड़क सड़क सर पटके रे ये बार बार ही तुझ पे अटके रे बेलिया
अब अकल अकेली भटके रे दिल सड़क सड़क सर पटके रे ये बार बार ही तुझ पे अटके रे बेलिया
ओ दिल ने चाहत का सिक्का ऐसा उछाला सबके गालों पे लगे मुझको दिल काला पनघट पे नाचे
पनघट पे नाचे नाचे रे नाचे मधुबाला. Hey, by the way, this song is a very nice song. I like this song. You know who's the music director of the song, Faltani?
Who, man?
अरे हमने बात किया उससे ना, सोहेल सेन.
Sohail Sen, of course.
अली जफर की आवाज और श्वेता पंडित साथ बिटजन.
नाचे नाचे रे नाचे
मधुबाला पनघट पे नाचे
रे नाचे मधुबाला पनघट पे नाचे.
You know this song also almost like 10 years old right now, Faltani. It's still so fresh, right? 2012, Faltani, 2012. अरे भाई थक गए क्या? यूपी आया ढोलना बता तो क्या खाक यूपी आया?
खाक यूपी आया
उसका आवाज देखो, तुम्हारा आवाज देखो, कितना हैंडसम आवाज है
थैंक
उसका।
यू वेरी मच। उसका
तुम्हारा नहीं, उसका।
कुछ भी, वो बादाम खाता है, बताया मुझे ना वो। अली जफर की बात हो रही बनी जन, जिसको हमने इंटरव्यू किया था। एंड यस, फ्रॉम द मूवी तेरे ब्रदर की दुल्हन।
मेरे ब्रदर की दुल्हन।
मैं सलमान का भी बोला। सलमान भाई, आपके ब्रदर की दुल्हन है।
ओ भैया राजा बनेगा तेरा बाजा, बनेगा दूल्हा राजा, तू आजा जल्दी आजा पिया।
फिर चाबी खुल जाए मस्ती का ताला, छोरी लागे जोरू छोड़ा लगे साला, पनघट पे नाचे, पनघट पे नाचे, नाचे रे नाचे मधुबाला, पनघट पे नाचे, नाचे रे नाचे मधुबाला, पनघट पे नाचे, नाचे रे नाचे मधुबाला, पनघट पे नाचे, नाचे रे नाचे मधुबाला।
I love this song, Ray. Altu.
No, Patroni, I know you love this song. It's a pretty song for you, na?
No, you just wanted to see Katrina Kaif. That's why you played the song.
If
मुझे मालूम है आजकल तुम्हारे क्या क्या लक्षण दिखा दे रहे हैं मेरे को आल्टो।
Hey, Patroni, if I want to Katrina Kaif, but I don't have to play a song for Patroni. I can just imagine by closing my eyes.
इश्के दी चाशनी।
Hey,
That's
but
right.
those are songs you can't do right now.
You can do, because
No.
that is also physically distancing, because he's imagining her, he's not going near her.
वो तो रोज करते हैं हम लोग।
शर्म कर यार।
आज है। So back Thursday, talking about how we can't do many things right now. Thanks to COVID. Thanks to COVID, we can't do many
Why,
things.
man? Are you trying to date somebody and you're not able to meet her? That's the reason you're like, oh, we can't do so many things.
No, you didn't get my point, Faldoni. We can't do all these things like as a community coming together. Hello, Faldoni. Seriously, can you go out and eat? I'll say, of course, yeah, now we established that some songs you can do, like, you know, going out, eating on the table outside, order the food and eat outside the restaurant, or you can do all those things, correct?
हाँ, that's
But,
true.
you know-
मीनाक्षी जी कह रही है भाई का फोन आएगा, आल्टो बाबा तेरा पर्सनल इंटरव्यू करना है, आजा।
अरे जैसे चल रहा है अभी भाई का टाइम ना, हम लोग कर भी लेंगे।
That's true, actually. That's actually true. Well, एक और चीज है।
बोल क्या चीज?
मीनाक्षी जी बोलती है, Radio D Hotties is the only radio station we can listen and watch live. We all love you. The only thing which hasn't changed during COVID is the Pam Pam show. Even Altu Faltu have become more creative and to provide us 2 hours of fun and dhamal.
Oi, oi.
Mwah!
Oi.
Love you too, babe.
Oi.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Yes.
You know, I'll tell you what, Faldoni.
Huh.
Exactly, it's what I feel also. You know, we are like a group of, you know, really rebels.
Rebels?
Yeah.
क्यों?
We know what is fun.
What is fun?
Yes.
Because we are मस्तों का झुंड?
No, we know what Washmalay is.
Washmalay.
Yes.
Ah. But we don't drink.
No, we don't. We don't have to.
अच्छा.
Yeah, but we can meet in secret spots like this. No, just kidding. Don't do that, Banajan.
Actually, we can.
We
Actually-
can't do. Don't do it. We can't do this right now. जो गाने में हो रहा है, we can't do, Banajan. Don't do. But of course, we can think about the good times. रात पौने 12 पे डाल के शरारा बगदाद से मंगाई रात है। प्रभु देवा की कोऑर्डिनेशन में बदजन, मतलब उसके कोरियोग्राफी में आमिर खान के साथ में है 6 फुट वाला बंदा अमिताभ बच्चन। नो, नॉट मी, आई एम द हैंडसम वन।
रात पौने 12 पे डाल के शरारा बगदाद से मंगाई रात है।
सुखविंदर पाजी की आवाज।
हाल से मलंगी है, चाल से
फिरंगी है,
तान की लुगाई रात है।
एंड दैट वाज विशाल दादलाने।
अदा में को है नूर का जमाल है, शौकीन है मिजाज से मियां कमाल है। अंगूर के निचोड़ में नहा के आई है, मौके का फायदा उठा ले बेमिसाल है। हुड़दंग मचे, शोर मचे हल्ले, जब तक न ढले रात जश्न कर ले। हो तिलक 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 झूम ले, वशमल्ले 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 जरा वशमल्ले। हुड़दंग मचे, शोर मचे हल्ले, जब तक न ढले रात जश्न कर ले। हो तिलक 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 झूम ले, वशमल्ले
अपनी तबीयत मदिरा छाप है ना बंधु न सका अपना कौन सका एक सागे माई बाप है
पी के फन्ने खां बन जाएंगे गाना आता ना हो फिर भी गाएंगे सुर बेहाल तो क्या झूठे ताल तो क्या इतनी भूल चूक माफ है सूरज को डूबने से पहले ही सलाम है होती भी अकड़ों की दोपहर भी शाम है गुस्ताख जोश ने जरा तगड़ी जो मार दी देखो जमी पे होश गिर पड़ा धड़ाम है
आरा हुड़दंग मचे शोर मचे गल्ले आरा जब तक न ढले रात जश्न कर ले
थिरक 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 झूम ले वशमल ले वशमल ले वशमल ले वशमल ले आरा हुड़दंग मचे शोर मचे हल्ले आरा जब तक न ढले रात जश्न कर ले थिरक 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 झूम ले वशमल ले वशमल ले वशमल ले वशमल ले
And आपका बन जान अगर सोच रहे क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे, this is a throwback Thursday on the Pam Pam Show. Yeah, Banjan, we're talking about COVID-19, how it has affected our lives and how it was pre-COVID, Banjan. Are we ever going to come back to the pre-COVID situation? We don't know. It's going to be a post-COVID world. Post-COVID world. Post. And yes, but we're talking about all those things which we right now cannot do. We really can't party the way these people are partying in this particular song, Banjan. Unfortunately.
ये क्या मेरे को कुछ मैसेज आया?
क्या मैसेज आया?
ये क्रियात्मक तो
हाँ
हो पर गुणवत्ता नियंत्रण आवश्यक हो गया.
इतना सारा फंबल मारती है तो फालतू नहीं. क्रिएटिव पीपल विल डेफिनेटली हैव टू, हम ऑम्बड्समैन बोल रहे हैं, मतलब कहने का मतलब है कि आप दायरे में रहो.
कौन है?
तेरे को बोल रहे हैं.
तेरे को बोल रहे हैं, मेरे को नहीं.
तूने पढ़ा, मैंने नहीं पढ़ा भाई.
वो
जिसने पढ़ा उसके लिए.
अच्छा नहीं.
इसलिए कुछ ऐसे मैसेज होते हैं जो हम पढ़ते नहीं बिकॉज़ हमारे लिए होते नहीं है. Did you know that? It applies to people who read the message.
अच्छा.
And I didn't read it.
अच्छा. That was meant for you, Aldo.
No, फालतू नहीं.
हाँ. It was meant for you.
Okay, अभी खुश तू खुश है ना?
मैं खुश हूँ. लेकिन ये क्या कह रही है? कुलभूषण खरबंदा वो चलबे से है ना?
What?
नहीं है क्या? Sorry, my bad.
I don't know, dude. What are you talking about?
I don't know.
Yeah. तू क्या कर रही है तू फालतू नहीं? What are you
वो दीपा कुछ पूछ रही है कुलभूषण खरबंदा के बारे में.
तो दीपा's
नहीं, sorry.
She probably has a.
She's alive and well. Sorry.
She probably has a crush on him. Yeah, come on, happens.
I don't know. She's asking.
Don't you have a crush on Farah?
Deepa, was he supposed to come to the Bay Area? I don't know.
Don't you have a crush on Karan Johar? Tell me seriously.
No, I don't. Shush. What nonsense.
Don't shush what?
What nonsense. कुछ भी बोलेगा आलतू.
What?
Why would I have a crush on Karan Johar of all the people? What nonsense.
Yeah, I'm just trying to say that probably she has a crush on him.
Huh?
Kulbhushan Kharbanda.
Whatever. So anyway, I'm going to say Bandhujan ki no, I think I know what she's talking about. She's asking you Altu Baba कि कुलभूषण खरबंदा का जो डायलॉग था
ये बात मुझे समझ में आ गई लेकिन मैं नहीं बताऊंगा.
नहीं, उसने कुछ डायलॉग लिखा है तुम्हें बोलने के लिए.
अरे वाह. अगर मैंने जो भी लिखा कर दिया तो
हाँ
क्या मैं आलतू नहीं रहूंगा ना.
हाँ.
Hey, but फालतू नहीं. How come people I don't think they're thinking about this thing. I think it's a very sad topic I picked today.
Why man?
People are definitely missing the good old times of COVID. Pre-COVID.
Really?
Pre-COVID. See, all these things I'm playing today, everything you can't actually do right nowadays.
Yeah.
You can't publicly, you can't mingle with people without a mask.
Huh.
Well, I am yet to see a movie which is made for the COVID audience. But COVID times. I want to see a movie where they have wearing masks and they're dancing. Yes, there is a movie.
They won't do that, man.
Hey.
They won't do that. I don't think they're going to make any movie. Oh, are you saying like things will change in the way they're actually going to have people, they're going to have people shown in the movies as well, that it's going to be COVID?
Like that, yeah. Why can't they have dance moves that way, no? That's what I'm asking people.
Really?
Namaskar, Pam Pam ke Throwback Thursday mein swagat hai. Deepa, how are you doing?
How do you know it's me?
You gave a in between. You gave a small laugh. You were smiling when you actually said hello before you started.
Yes.
I know. दीपा मैं हृदय से सुनता हूँ, हृदय से, कान से नहीं. I listen to people in a heart.
दिल में आता हो, समझ नहीं.
Exactly. वो भी समझ लो. हाँ दीपा, come on, you gotta share.
मैं क्या बोल रही थी?
बोलो.
That you were saying कुलभूषण करबंदा का उसकी आवाज में मेरी क्रिसमस विश करो.
इसमें अगेन सेल्फिशनेस तेरा. व्हाट इज दिस?
क्यों?
उसमें मेरी क्रिसमस विश करो बोल रहा है. सबकी क्रिसमस है यार, मेरी क्रिसमस क्या है उसमें?
No, also ये अजीब किस्म का जानवर है ना.
कौन?
सेम डायलॉग में ये 1 सेकेंड. हाँ, अजीब किस्म की बीमारी है.
दीपा, ये अजीब किस्म का टाइम्स है, कोविड टाइम्स. फिर भी तेरे लिए मैं बताऊंगा कि ये मेरी क्रिसमस ट्री हो.
What nonsense!
She likes it.
She likes it. She feeds your mediocrity. Oh God, कितना घटिया impression करता है.
Bay Area is filled with people feeding mediocrity. Okay.
I know that.
Why do you want to say like so? Fine, yeah, fine. Praise me also. मैंने कभी बताया नहीं कि I do proper mimicry. I always tell my mimicry is my mimicry. It's my talent.
Altu Baba does mimicry and you will be like उंगलियां क्या सब कुछ दबाते रह जाओगे आपकी कि क्या बात किसकी मिमिक्री कर रहा है.
सर ही नहीं, आप दिमाग को भी आप खरोते रहोगे कि क्या हुआ पता नहीं चलेगा कौन किसको मैंने किया है मिमिक्री. बात थैंक यू फॉर कॉलिंग दीपा.
बट थैंक यू सो मच दीपा फॉर कॉलिंग.
मैंने कॉल किया था. This is my Farah Khan.
Oh God, this is your Farah Khan.
Oh sorry, Farah Akhtar.
Farah Akhtar.
Same difference. No, when you have to be mediocre, be fully mediocre. That's what I am. Yeah.
हाँ, that's right.
Deepa.
Yes.
Deepa, hold the line, okay? Don't hang up. नमस्कार, आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है पैम में. Who's this? Hello. Hi, Pam. Pam, कैसे हैं आप?
मैं बहुत अच्छा हूँ. तुम लोग कैसे हो?
मैं फर्स्ट क्लास हूँ सर. प्रणब जी जितना भी आप अपना आवाज नहीं, जितना भी आप अपना आवाज नहीं, जितना भी आप अपना आवाज जो है कमरफ्लैश करोगे, आपका सुंदर चेहरा आ जाता है सामने.
सुंदर चेहरा.
ये बचाव का अच्छा सुझाव है. क्या बाय द वे आपसे
बचाव का अच्छा उपाय है, सुझाव नहीं.
एक वेट 1 सेकंड. सुझाव मतलब व्हाटएवर. हे I want to ask you one thing. क्या आपने वो कविता लिखी थी?
क्या कविता?
किसी को लिखने वाले थे कविता?
हाँ, वो तो लिख चुका यार.
वाह,
देख उसी रात को लिखा ना.
अच्छा, तो शेयर नहीं करोगे?
कविता तो आपके पास बैठी है.
नहीं दीपा जी, आपको मालूम नहीं है, हम लोग एक हमारे ये जो कालिदास है वो लिख रहे थे वहाँ पे.
ये कवि रत्न कालिदास है.
मैं उनको कितना इंस्पिरेशन किया मालूम है. आई वाज लाइक मेनका डांसिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ हिम.
Oh God!
विश्वामित्र, राइट? सॉरी.
इसलिए मुझे फोन करना पड़ता है दूरभाष के माध्यम से. मुझे थोड़ा सा इसमें नियंत्रण करना पड़ता है.
अरे एक्सक्यूज मी सर, विश्वामित्र के सामने मेनका डांस किया था, राइट?
और झिंगा लाला कुछ भी हो जाते हो तुम लोग.
देखा, याद रखिए. देखो प्रणब जी, एक चीज बताओ, ऑनेस्टली बताओ, लेकिन आपको वो शाम यादगार बन गया कि नहीं?
एग्जैक्टली. बहुत धन्यवाद उसके लिए.
और जब भी आप अपने
कलम उठाओगे,
माता श्री के लिए लिखने के लिए आप बैठोगे, तो आपके सामने सबसे पहला शब्द जो आएगा वो झिंगा लाला होगा.
सत्य वचन.
और जब भी आप लैला बोलोगे, आपके दिमाग में झिंगा लाला ही होगा. झिंगा लाला लैला. Oh God.
Exactly. Hey, देखो दीपा, you don't know about what will happen because Deepa is like far off she stays.
I know beyond से है ना, क्या करें. हाँ.
नहीं तुम लोग नहीं, इसलिए देखो तुम लोग कोविड टाइम पे बोला ना कि क्या हुआ.
हाँ.
और कितने तुम्हारे जो प्रिय श्रोतागण, उनका नाम लिया तुम लोगों ने, मेरा नाम नहीं लिया. इसीलिए क्योंकि मैं तुमको फोन करके कंट्रोल करता हूँ, इसलिए तुम लोग कुछ भी भागते हो इधर उधर.
नहीं
Out of control हो
सर,
जाते हो।
देखा वही मिस्टेक किया आपने।
हाँ
हम लोग आपका नाम लेने की जरूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज आपका नाम जो है हमारे दिमाग में ऐसे ही है।
नहीं पर
एंड मुझे मालूम था कि आप कॉल करोगे।
एक्सक्यूज मी नहीं प्रणब जी, अगर हम नाम लेते आप थोड़ी ना कॉल करते।
हाँ एग्जैक्टली
ये बताने के लिए एटलीस्ट कॉल किया ना।
एग्जैक्टली।
कैसा है?
दीपा भी मान जाएगी।
प्रणव जी ये बोले कि दिल में आते हैं, फोन पे नहीं।
नहीं प्रणव जी दिमाग में आते हैं, फोन पे नहीं बोलो।
हाँ
हाँ नहीं, दिमाग में तो मुंह पे नहीं, ऐसे बोलो।
अच्छा ठीक है।
बाय द वे,
बस
हाँ बोलो।
मीन इसको अभी एक साइड में रख दो।
हाँ
और मैं अगर लास्ट 10-11 महीने के बारे में मैं सोचूं कि क्या हुआ है विस्तार से, तो तुम लोगों ने अति उत्तम काम किया है।
हाँ
लाखों लोगों के मैं कह सकता हूँ, क्या शाम को हो सकता है, और शनिवार को उनके तुमने रंगारंग कार्यक्रम से उनका मन मोह लिया, राइट। अच्छे क्रियात्मक तुम लोगों ने रंगारंग कार्यक्रम किया। कभी कभी भटक जाते हो, बट किसी को तो नियंत्रण करना पड़ेगा। बट एवरीथिंग असाइड, awesome job guys. You guys rock.
It's awesome because of people like you, Deepa, Meenakshi, everybody else. हम तो कुछ भी नहीं, हम तो बस दरिया है यार।
हाँ बिल्कुल।
हम तो बस निमित्त पात्र हैं। हम तो निमित्त पात्र मात्र।
निमित्त मात्र पात्र हैं। हाँ।
Whatever, निमित्त पात्र मात्र। Hey, but anyway, thank you so much. लेकिन सर अगला गाना जो पेश करने वाला हूँ, मैं आपके लिए पेश करने वाला हूँ, because I can imagine you singing the song.
अरे?
Yeah.
क्या?
With physical distancing.
Seriously?
हाँ, जब ये प्रणब जी रोमांस करने का नहीं, जिंगाना नहीं अच्छा गाना है, बिकॉज जब भी आप रोमांस करते हो तो आपको एकदम सन्नाटा चाहिए अराउंड यू। लेकिन आप रेगिस्तान में बैठ के आप रोमांस करोगे।
Oh my goodness.
Deepa knows what song it is, right, Deepa?
Deepa will dance to this. Deepa loves this
अरे
song.
रेगिस्तान में बहुत सारे गाने हैं बाबा।
हे ये गाना तो उनका डेफिनेटली बनता है, राइट?
हाँ बनता है।
क्या रे आलतू?
हाँ मैं प्ले करने वाला हूँ, राइट अभी।
हाँ।
दीपा will agree with me on this
प्रणव
one.
जी मुझे पता नहीं है कौन सा गाना गा रहे डाल रहे हैं।
मुझे भी कोई इसके बारे में कोई
Deepa, this song, Deepa.
बट दीपक तुम्हारे लिए गाना अच्छा बजाया था ना, मैं तो रास्ते से जा रहा था।
लेकिन प्रणब जी ये गाना आपके लिए फिट है, बिकॉज ये टोटल फिजिकल डिस्टेंसिंग वाला गाना है, कोरियोग्राफी।
एंड ये गाना बिल्कुल प्रणब जी पे फिट होता है। मालूम है क्यों? उन्होंने एक बार मेरे को बोला था, जब जयश्री जी का साड़ी का जो वो प्लीट्स होता है, राइट, उन्होंने देखो वहां तक देखो, ऊपर से नीचे तक देखो, सी हाउ स्ट्रेट इट इज। ही वांटेड टू टेल मी कि कैसे फॉल भी ठीक तरह से उन्होंने ये हेल्प किया उनको।
ओके तुमको मैं देखता हूँ।
प्रणब जी मानना पड़ेगा। थैंक यू सो मच प्रणब जी एंड दीपा कॉलिंग गाइस। वी कम टू क्लोज द शो ऑलरेडी, बट एंजॉय कीजिएगा। गाना आपके लिए।
थैंक यू सो मच। ये गाना आपके लिए प्रणब जी, क्योंकि साड़ी के फॉल से मैच किया रे।
नहीं यार प्रणब जी, मैं क्या बोलती हूँ ना, हम मतलब हमको अच्छा लगता है आप जब आते हैं और जाते हैं।
हाँ, डांटते नहीं, आते हैं और पकड़ जाते हैं, पकड़े जाते हैं। जब आप आते हो पकड़े जाते हो, ऐसा बोलना।
अच्छा
हाँ।
दीपा,
हाँ।
हमें जब डांट पड़ती है तेरे को अच्छा लगता है?
ऑफ कोर्स, दीपा तो फर्स्ट बेंच तेजे से ही है ना।
बहुत लोग को अच्छा लगता है।
प्यार का एक दूसरा ये है ना।
नहीं, जब भी आते हैं तो पकड़े जाते हैं।
अच्छा ठीक है, आइंदा से हम दीपा को डांटा करेंगे, क्योंकि
दीपा सबको प्यार बांटो, आलतू फालतू को डांटो। Not fair. हाँ ठीक है, चलो एनीवे दीपा वी अंडरस्टैंड, लेकिन ये गाना जो है आपके लिए भी पेश है, ताकि गोपा के सिटी सॉन्ग फॉर यू। ओके दीपा। And Pranam ji, thank you so much for calling us.
Thank you so much, you guys. Love you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you.
And ये गाना फलतवानी is 100% physical distancing।
ये कोई physical distancing nonsense कुछ नहीं है।
देखो दूर दूर खड़े हैं सब लोग।
वो दोनों कितने पास डांस कर रहे हैं।
एक ही फैमिली के हो जाएंगे ना बाद में। इसी के साथ हम लोग बोले मैं गुड नाइट, शब्बा खैर एंड प्यार भरा।
A very very merry Christmas to everybody celebrating Bandhujan. Let the season of joy and the season of peace bring good health, happiness and joy to everybody in the world. Everybody in the world. And इसी के साथ हम आपको बोलेंगे फिर मिलेंगे कल right here on Radio Tea Hotties. हमारे ऐप डाउनलोड करिए for some amazing music Gurujan and some great entertainment. Good night. शबा खैर and प्यार भरा.
जब से मिला तेरा साया भाया मुझे हर बार तू
मजा आ रहा है ना? Great music Gurujan for the best in entertainment and the best in music and the hottest tracks ever. You can get it on Radio Tea Hotties. For more information, go to MediaMahima.com.
Hi, I'm Shekhar Rafjiani. You're listening to me on Radio The Hotties, where entertainment keeps getting hotter, hotter, hotter.
Bandujan, this is your darling pyari Mahima ki dilari Faltu Rani. I hope you're enjoying every one of these songs that we have lined up for you, Bandujani. This is Radio The Hotties, where entertainment, engagement, excitement, everything keeps getting hotter. We hope you're loving the music, the best music with the Bandujan. This is your darling Faltu Rani, and let me tell you, Bandujani, that all these beautiful tracks that you're listening to right now are
साधु में ये चक्कर जो खाए झूमे प्रीत का रास्ता टेढ़ा मेरा है जग में ना इश्क से बड़ा बखेड़ा जग में ना इश्क से बड़ा बखेड़ा
We hope you're loving the music. The best music with the best entertainment. You know, where it keeps getting hotter. And that's Radio D Hotties. And हाँ, मैं आपकी फालतू रानी. सुनते रहिएगा. There's more lovely music that we've lined up for you. Total D Hottie picks.
Hi, this is Johnny Liver, and you are listening me on Radio D Hottie. Everything keeps getting hotter.
मेरी शांति भंग करती है, डे नाइट ये कॉल करती है, मेरी शांति भंग करती है, डे नाइट ये कॉल करती है, कभी गड्डी में ले जाओ कभी शॉपिंग करा, हर रोज ये तंग करती है, मेरी वाली डिंग डांग डिंग डांग डिंग डांग डिंग डांग डिंग डांग करती है, ये मेरी वाली डिंग डांग डिंग डांग डिंग डांग डिंग डांग डिंग डांग करती है, ये मेरी वाली डिंग डांग डिंग डांग डिंग डांग डिंग डांग डिंग डांग करती है।
मुझे व्हाट्सएप ये करता है, लोकेशन चेक करता है, तुम यहाँ पिंड जाना तुम वहाँ पिंड जाना, सारा रोज ये शक करता है, मेरा वाला डिंग डांग डिंग डांग डिंग डांग डिंग डांग डिंग डांग करता है, ये मेरा वाला डिंग डांग डिंग डांग डिंग डांग डिंग डांग डिंग डांग करता है, मेरा वाला डिंग डांग डिंग डांग डिंग डांग डिंग डांग डिंग डांग करता है, ये मेरा वाला डिंग डांग डिंग डांग डिंग डांग डिंग डांग डिंग डांग करता है। है इसके टेंटरम, एक नंबर की नहीं है शर्म, खुद को समझे सुपर हीरो, मुझको थोड़ा लगता पानी कम,
मेरे नखरे दो ना झेले अपने सौ दिखलाती है, लव की ABCD पढ़ना मुझको क्या सिखलाती है,
कभी रूड बन जाता एटीट्यूड दिखाता, कभी टू मच लव करता है, मेरा वाला डिंग डांग डिंग डांग डिंग डांग डिंग डांग डिंग डांग करता है, ये मेरा वाला डिंग डांग डिंग डांग डिंग डांग डिंग डांग डिंग डांग करता है, मेरा वाला डिंग डांग डिंग डांग डिंग डांग डिंग डांग डिंग डांग करता है।
ये दिल्ली वाली लड़कियां होती है ऐसी, पड़ेगी पीछे तो करती है ऐसी तैसी, मैं नहीं बंदा जो देखा तूने सपनों में, अच्छे से तो देख जो आ गया हूँ सामने, ले आ गया मैं नियर, अब करना कोई फियर, आज करेंगे खुल के बेबी सब टंटा क्लियर।
देखा तुझे जब से मैं हो गई हूँ संती, माइंड में बजने लगी है मेरे घंटी, 24 घंटे अब तो करूंगी तेरा पीछा, देखे मेरी मम्मी जाए देखे मेरी आंटी।
मेरी शान भंग करती है, डे नाइट ये कॉल करती है, कभी गड्डी में ले जाओ कभी शॉपिंग करा, हर रोज ये तंग करती है, मेरी वाली डिंग डांग डिंग डांग डिंग डांग डिंग डांग डिंग डांग करती है, ये मेरी वाली डिंग डांग डिंग डांग डिंग डांग डिंग डांग डिंग डांग करती है, ये मेरी वाली डिंग डांग डिंग डांग डिंग डांग डिंग डांग डिंग डांग करती है, ये मेरा वाला डिंग डांग डिंग डांग डिंग डांग डिंग डांग डिंग डांग करता है, मेरा वाला डिंग डांग डिंग डांग डिंग डांग डिंग डांग डिंग डांग करता है, ये मेरा वाला डिंग डांग डिंग डांग डिंग डांग डिंग डांग डिंग डांग करता है। तुझको मैं रख लूं वहाँ जहाँ पे कहीं है मेरा यकीन, मैं जो तेरा ना हुआ किसी का नहीं, किसी का नहीं, ले जाए जाने का हवाएं हवाएं, ले जाए तुझे कहाँ हवाएं हवाएं, बेगानी है ये बागी हवाएं हवाएं, ले जाए मुझे कहाँ हवाएं हवाएं, ले जाए जाने कहाँ, ना मुझको खबर ना तुझको पता, ओ ओ देती है जो तू, वो यादें जाने संग मेरे कब तक चले, इन्हीं में तो मेरी सुबह भी ढले शाम ढले मौसम ढले, ख्यालों का शहर तू जाने तेरे होने से ही आबाद है, हवाएं हक में वही है आते जाते जो तेरा नाम ले देती है जो सदाएं, हवाएं हवाएं न जाने क्या बताएं, हवाएं हवाएं ले जाए तुझे कहाँ, हवाएं हवाएं ले जाए मुझे कहाँ, हवाएं हवाएं ले जाए जाने कहाँ, ले जाए तुझे कहाँ, ले जाए जाने कहाँ, ले जाए तुझे कहाँ, ले जाए जाने कहाँ, ले जाए मुझे कहाँ, ले जाए जाने कहाँ, ना मुझको खबर ना तुझको पता, ले जाए जाने कहाँ, हवाएं हवाएं ले जाए तुझे कहाँ, हवाएं हवाएं बेगानी है ये बागी, हवाएं हवाएं ले जाए मुझे कहाँ, हवाएं हवाएं.
We hope you're loving the music, the best music with the best entertainment, you know, where it keeps getting hotter. And that's Radio D Hotties. And हाँ, मैं आपकी फालतू रानी. सुनते रहिएगा, there's more lovely music that we've lined up for you. Total D Hottie picks.
Hey guys, this is Deepika Padukone and you're listening to me on Radio De Hotties with Arzu Baba and Faltu Rani, where entertainment just got hotter.
मैं हूँ तेरा किंग ओए, लेके आया रिंग ओए, बन जानी आज मेरी क्वीन तू, करा प्रपोज ओए, तरीफा रोज ओए, कि दसा हाउ मच हसीन तू,
जाओ न पंगे ना इश्क में ले पंगे, फीलिंग तू दिल में दबा ले,
ओ हवा हवा ए हवा मुझको उड़ा ले, आजा आजा तू मेरे को चुरा ले, इश्क वाले कार्ड पे नाम मेरा लिखा ले, बीच में ही बसी है बात आगे बढ़ा ले, बॉयफ्रेंड बना ले,
किसी और को पता ले,
बॉयफ्रेंड बना ले,
नजरें तू हटा ले,
मुझको फंसा ले,
किसी और को पता ले,
बॉयफ्रेंड बना ले,
नजरें तू हटा ले.
तेरा तू है मेरी, मैं हूँ तेरा तू है मेरी, बात फिक्स है, हाथ में तेरे ये मेरा हाथ फिक्स है, आँख ना मिला तो चाहे मेरी आँख से, ख्वाब में ही तेरे मेरा ख्वाब फिक्स है,
ख्यालों में भटके क्यों मुझ पे ही अटके, कहीं और दिल तू लगा ले,
हाय हवा हवा ए हवा मुझको उड़ा ले, आजा आजा तू मेरे दिल को चुरा ले, इश्क वाले कार्ड पे नाम मेरा लिखा ले, बीच में ही बसी है बात आगे बढ़ा ले, बॉयफ्रेंड बना ले,
किसी और को पता ले,